Dried cod is initially soaked in cold water to start the rehydration process. The water needs to be changed daily during the rehydration period. The soaking process typically lasts for 5 to 6 days. This ensures the dried cod is thoroughly rehydrated. Rehydration softens the fish, preparing it for the next stage of lye treatment. Rehydrated fish undergoes immersion in a lye solution. The lye solution consists of 2 tablespoons of lye per 4 liters of cold water. This immersion lasts for 2 days at room temperature. The alkaline treatment breaks down fish proteins, creating a gelatinous texture. Safety measures, including gloves and avoiding aluminum, are essential due to lye's caustic properties. Following lye treatment, the fish undergoes extensive rinsing to eliminate any remaining lye. The fish is then submerged in fresh, cold water for a period of 4 to 6 days. Daily water changes are essential during the soaking process to ensure effective lye removal. This thorough rinsing and soaking process neutralizes the lye, rendering the fish safe for consumption. Lutefisk is prepared for cooking by placing it in a baking dish. The fish is then lightly salted to enhance its flavor. The dish is covered with foil to retain moisture during cooking. It is baked at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes until flaky and tender. Alternatively, lutefisk can be steamed or gently simmered in salted water. The cooking process further softens the fish, making it ready to serve. Lutefisk is traditionally served with boiled potatoes as a staple accompaniment. Green peas are commonly included to complement the dish. Crispy bacon bits add a contrasting texture and flavor. Melted butter or white mustard sauce is typically drizzled over the lutefisk. Aquavit, a Scandinavian spirit, is often served alongside lutefisk, especially during Christmas.